Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga idol at bossing ko, J Catskill Vlogs here. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Nag-a-upload po ako ng 2 hanggang 3 video sa loob ng isang linggo. Kaya kung naghahanap po kayo ng sasakyan, pwede nyo pong abangan ng mga new upload ko para mas marami po kayong choices na pagpipilian. Wala nang maraming intro, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Ito na po sila, nangunguna sa ating lineup. 2017 Chevrolet Colorado 2.8 Z71 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 51,000 kms, price 870,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng kulay neto, multi-function steering wheel, may cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, may 12-volt DC power outlet, 6 na pong speaker na to at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather. First owned lang itong unit at maayos pa ang kondisyon, kita naman sa itsura. Mayroon na rin po itong bidliner cover sa likod. Under the hood, mayroon po itong powerful and excellent 2.8 diesel engine na may 181 horsepower at 369 Nm torque. No issue. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Negotiable pa po ito sa cash at kung may existing unit kayo, pwede rin po ditong trade-in. Loaded na po itong unit, formado na. Check nyo na lang po yung mga upgrade na ginawa sa kanya. Nothing to fix, sasakyan nyo na lang to. Next, 2018 Nissan Navara 2.5EL 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 860,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another quality na pickup, Casa maintain with Casa records. Naka 2-din head unit with auxiliary input and USB port. Naka power windows na po ito, 7-speed automatic transmission. Maluwag ang space ng second row na ito at meron na rin po itong center aircon ventilation. Sariwa at malinis ang loob, meron na rin po itong bed-liner cover, naka-garnish na rin po ang mga ilaw. Under the hood, naka-Amaron battery, naka 2.5 diesel engine na may 161 horsepower at 403 Nm torque. Malinis, no oil leakage. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTO verified at updated po ang registration nito hanggang 2024. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2020 Mitsubishi Strada 2.5 GLS 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 21,000 kms, price 1,098,000. Location Pasig City. Top of the line variant, push start, naka 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift, naka 7 inches Android touchscreen monitor with iOS with navigation with Bluetooth ready. Mayroon na rin po itong reverse camera. Low mileage lang po ito, good as new condition. Mayroon pa po itong manual and booklet. 100% hindi po ito nabaha. 100% no accident history. Garantisadong walang problema ang makina, wala pong leak, wala pong overt history. Pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit at pwede po kayo magdala ng sarilyong mekaniko para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po ang unit. Outside appearance itong unit, original paint, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2018 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 31,000 kms, price 470,000. Location Las Piñas City. Elegant look, may high mounted stoplight. Ang ganda ng pagkaputi nito. Maganda rin ang center console nito, naka multi-info display, naka 6-speed automatic transmission, adjustable front seats, maluwag ang second row nito, okay po ang space ng legroom at saka headroom, naka fabric seats at maayos po ang kondisyon, 5-seater capacity po na crossover. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine, 4-cylinder, 16 bulb na may 121 horsepower at 150 Nm torque, naka stock 17 inches alloy wheels pa po yan at naka Goodyear na gulong, nasa 85% trade line. Maganda rin po ito gamitin ngayong tag-ulan kasi mataas po yung ground clearance niya. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer 2.0 AX GTA automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 580,000. Location Las Piñas City. Well maintained and well preserved unit. Tuesday po ang coding nito. May cruise control na po ito, power steering, may dual front airbag, may driver knee airbag, may auto stability control, clean and fresh, intact interior, naka fabric seats, meron na rin itong rear center armrest, solid ang under chassis nito, wala pong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine Mivec na may 113 horsepower at 198 Nm torque, naka 16 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks, naka disc brake na po ito harap at saka likod, naka keyless entry at saka meron na po itong rear spoiler. Good running condition ang unit, ready to use, ready for long drive. 2018 Ford Focus 1.5 5DR Sport hatchback automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock po ang unit na to, may back sensor, may anti-lock braking system, may electronic brake force distribution, front wheel drive po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission, low mileage lang po itong unit, well maintained and well preserved unit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, walang crack, walang punit, saktong laki lang po yung trunk space nito. Under the hood, mayroon po itong engine immobilizer, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 132 horsepower at 240 Nm torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. At kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry, dyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2015 Ford Everest 2.2 Trend 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 69,000 kms, price 798,000. Location Digman, Bacoor. Ending 3 ang plate number, Tuesday ang coding. Well-maintained unit, all power, 6-speed automatic transmission, multi-function steering wheel controls. Naka-Android touchscreen monitor with reverse camera. All gauges are working well. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Excellent transmission shifting, wala pong delay. Sariwa't maayos ang unit, 7-seater capacity. At ang lahat ng upuan nito, naka-all leather seats na po. Good running condition ng engine, wala po tong issue, wala pong overt history, wala pong tagas ng langis. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Outside appearance ito, stock original shiny paint. Naka-ceramic coat po ito, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2018 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDI 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 770,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock ang likod nito, may back sensor, may high mounted stoplight, smooth driving, front wheel drive po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, adjustable po ang mga upuan nito, adjustable po ang height ng driver seat, 5-seater capacity na crossover, sariwa po ang loob nito at maayos po ang mga upuan. Best buy unit to sa naghahanap ng crossover na below 800k ang budget. Under the hood, naka 2.0 CRDI 16 bulb na may 154 horsepower at 196 Nm torque. Excellent condition at fuel efficient. Naka-stock 17 inches alloy wheels, wala pa pong mga gutter marks at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa po, nasa 90% tire condition. Naka-disc brake na po yan, harap at saka likod. Naka-keyless entry, may alarm at immobilizer. 2015 Subaru Forester 2.0 Premium AWD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 640,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng kulay with sunroof na po ito. Push start, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, may stability and traction control, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Naka-power windows na po ito at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather na po. Another crossover, 5-seater capacity, excellent condition at maluwag po ang trunk space nito. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 177 horsepower at 350 Nm torque. No issue po ito, walang overt history. Naka Michelin po ito na gulong, makakapal pa po, nasa 85% tire condition. Naka 18 inches alloy wheels, wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Naka disc brake na rin po ito, harap tsaka likod. Wala ka na pong gagawin dito, sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. Next, 2018 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 790,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng 7-seater na below 800k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Power steering na po ito, naka dual airbag, may anti-lock braking system, push start at meron na rin po itong parking sensors, may cup holder at bottle holder po ito sa likod, may rear aircon vents, kaya komportable po ang sakay dito. Foldable po ang third row niyan, kaya maluwag po ang trunk space nito. Engine bay nito, naka 1.5 gas engine na may 102 horsepower at 134 Nm torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. All stock, all original pa rin po yung unit na to, naka 2-tone 17 inches alloy wheels. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, very presentable. Next, 2016 Hyundai Grand Starex 2.5 VGT automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 850,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nagpapahanap po sa akin ng kulay white na Starex, eto na po idol. Clean and intact interior, 5-speed automatic transmission, rear wheel drive po po ito. Meron na po itong USB and auxiliary input. Naka-captain seats at marami pong aircon vent ang likod nito. 10-seater po ang capacity. Maluwag ang space ng Starix na to. Sariwa at well-preserved ang interior. Check nyo po engine bay nito. Garantisadong malinis at wala pong tagas ng langis. Walang overtake history. Syempre, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka-all-in down payment na po yan. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po dito sa kanila trade-in. 2017 Honda BRV 1.5S, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 710,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another 7-seater na SUV, all stock, all original po ito. Smooth and responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, all power, all mechanism are working well. Saktong laki lang po ang second row at third row nito. Smooth po ang suspension nito, strong ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. 100% not flooded unit, LTO verified, guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Swabe po ito malakbo at wala pong overtake history. Maayos po ang quality ng unit na to. Pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit at pwede nyo pong i-test drive. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis po. Wala pong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. Naka-disc brake na po ang harap nito at drum brake po ang likod. 2016 Toyota Wigo 1.0G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 340,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng pagkaputi ng Wigo na to, G-bar yan. Naka-garnish na po. Power steering na po to, naka-dual airbag, naka-touchscreen head unit, may central console armrest, naka-two-toned leather seats. Sa naghahanap po ng service pang araw-araw, pang pasok sa work, eto maganda po itong gamitin, matipid po sa gas at madali lang pong i-parking. Under the hood, naka-Motolet battery, naka 1.0 gas engine na may 64 horsepower at 85 Nm torque. Sa mga interesado, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Ang ganda ng quality at itsura ng unit na to. Pwede sa masela na buyer, paunahan na lang kayo dito. No issue ang unit, ready to use na. 2014 Ford Fiesta hatchback 1.6L, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 59,000 kms, price 288,000. Location Parañaque City. Top of the line series, makinis po ang unit, pwede sa masela na buyer. Naka-register po ito hanggang 2024. 5-speed with OD transmission, fresh and clean all leather interior, seat, sidings and ceiling. Maayos po ito manakbo, wala pong delay sa shifting. May dashcam na po yan, may backing sensor with camera. All power, all mechanism are working well. Check nyo po itong mabuti sa naghahanap ng affordable na sasakyan. First owner lang po ang unit na to. Maayos po ang kondisyon, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Engine bay nito, malinis, no talsik, no usok, no blow by. Malinis po ang makina, wala po itong overtake history. Bago lang po ang Motolet battery nito. Pwede po kayong magdala ng sarili nyong mekaniko para ma-check nyo mismo ng actual ang unit. Naka 15 inches bulk racing original mugs pa po ito. Makakapal pa mga gulong, nasa 90% trade line. Must see the unit to appreciate. Nating to fix na po ito. Ready to use na, sasakyan mo na lang. 2018 Subaru XB 2.0i S EyeSight AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 15,000 kms, price 980,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda rin ng kulay nito, all stock, all original, may back sensor. Push start na rin to, may cruise control, malamig po ang aircon with automatic climate control. Mayroon na rin siyang traction and stability control. Good as new po ang unit, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright mga idol at bossing ko, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nagustuhan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan ang unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. At kung may unit po kayo dyan na gusto nyong ipabenta sa akin, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, usap po tayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!